How to make Python talk to you. If you ever felt lonely or bored, there is a way to have some fun with Python. And this is with only few lines of code. First of all, Python needs to be installed on your computer. And you will need pip to install right package. We will need a library to convert text to speech. So, go to Google and type Python text-to-speech. Choose PyTTSX3. For installing this library, type pip install PyTTSX3 in terminal. The code is simple. We need to import library itself. With method init, we initialize the person. Method say is taking one argument, which is a string. And lastly, we need to run and wait method. That's it. Cool. Let's create a third version of Talking Python program. Let's assume that we want the program to read a text we provide. It can be more interesting. For this purpose, we need only add couple lines to our code. We are opening a file taking a name of a file from command line argument, which is available from sys library. For reading from a file, we are using a for loop reading line by line and calling the say method each time. Let's try out our program. Type in terminal py on Windows or Python on Mac or Linux, and the name of a program. I will use a text from Wikipedia. Now provide the name of a file right after name of a program. I'm sorry. I am typing no so fast. Hit enter.
Harry Potter is a series of 7 fantasy novels written by British author J.K. Rowling.
Okay, it works. Enjoy and have fun.